Hello guys, so welcome to another episode of GPT Test. This question is under number basic equations involving number bases, okay? And it's very easy. Let's do it together. Okay. So when you're given an equation like this, first of all, let's have a go to it. Now we pick one here, one, and you multiply it by what? X plus the one here, multiply it by x, and the third 0, multiply it by x. But now, see, this is what? 0, 1, 2. So now, the power of the first one becomes what? 2. The power of the second one becomes what? 1. And the power of the third one becomes what? 0. Okay. So just like what we done for the left hand side, we do the same thing for the right hand side. So now, the right hand side, 1 times. So now here's what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are its powers. Okay. So 4 plus 1 times. No, the second one is 0 times 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 0 times 4. So now the first one, the power is what? 3. Okay. 3. The second one, the power is what? 2. And the second one, and the third one, the power is what? 1. The last one, the power is 0. Okay. So in our second step, we have what? 1 times what? X squared. Okay. Plus 1 times x plus what? 0 times x squared is what? 1, which is the same as 0. So plus 0. This is equal to 0 times any number is 0, so 0. And here 1 times what? 4 exponent 3 is what? 64. 0 times any number is 0. The next one, 2 times 4 is plus 0. So now we have what? X squared plus x plus 0. So equal to, here's what? 64 plus 2 times 4 is 8. So now we have what? X squared plus x. This is 64 plus 8, which is 72. 72 goes to the other side, it comes out. Minus 72 equal to 0. And from our last video, we did what? Quadratic equation. Now let's apply that rule of quadratic equation. So I said, now, from the rule that I gave, you have to make sure that the two numbers that you pick, if you multiply them, the coefficients it should give you the coefficients of what? 1 and what? Minus 72. Because this one is on the form ax squared plus what? bx plus c, which is equal to what? 0. Okay? So our AC is what? AC is what? Minus 72. So now the two numbers that we pick are what? 9 and what? 9 and minus 8. Because 9 times minus 8 will give you minus 72. And 9 plus minus 8 will give you b, which is what? 1. Okay. So AC is 72. So now the same way, 9 times minus 8 gives you what? Minus 72. And 9 plus minus 8 gives us what? 1. So it's valid. So now you can break it down to what? X squared plus what? Plus 9x minus what? 8x plus, sorry, minus 72, which is equal to what? 0. Now from this side, we what? We factor it. So we factor it. X out, you get it. X plus 9. The same way, minus 8, you get it. X plus what? 9. So now we have what? X minus 8. X plus 9, which is equal to what? 0. X minus 8 equals to 0. X is equal to what? 8. And what? X plus 9 equals to 0. X equal to what? Minus. X equal to minus 9. So what? Therefore, x is equal to it. 8 or minus 9. Very easy, right? Very, very easy. And now, since it's the base, since it's in the base, we leave it to what? X equal to what? 8. So, guys, now what? X is equal to. Very, very easy, right? Very easy. So, guys, please, if you see a question like this, then you try to answer it. Thank you.